car standby. 18th District, 5,000 Catherine, coming out. Emergency party, one person screaming. There's a female screaming no on the highway. Last thing had a
30 shots fired.
15 is your location.
Maybe a 50-second. 50-second chance.
What's your location?
I'm at the McDonald's on 51st Street. Help me, please.
Huh? Car standby, 18th District, assistant officer, police bar radio should be 5-2 and Spruce. 5-2 and Spruce, 18th District, police officer, police, assistant bar radio. What? Morning.
We still got shots fired at us. We got shots fired at us.
Wait. Wait, what's the location? Location. Anybody copy that location? Tell them the area copy this location?
38.
Got the badge number, disease location.
5-1 and Sansom. 5-2.
5-2 is handsome, okay.
I didn't say, but I think there's a black lady going southbound on 5-1.
Black male, black hoodie, southbound 5-1.
Oh. Yeah, William 15. We got a gun out here. We got 2 people shot out here also.
15, I got that. Who else is on location out there?
Haley got dread. Young, about 20.
20-year-old black male. His last name is going eastbound on Phantom.
That's correct.
For a black male, approximately 20 years old.
Just surveying the area. I'm looking for a guy. Fairly, he's young, he's got dreads. About 20 years old. 432, everybody got the cop that was shot. Hey, she been scooped. That's in South Bend on 50th Street. Another shot here also.
Got rescue coming out there. Who has the injured officer?
At that bar, there's a man shot. Just shot in the leg. Have you check it out? Damn. We have an officer shot.
That's correct.
Okay, let's get some supervisors out here. Shut this area down, please. UC Andy, I just arrived on location.
Andy, okay.
1243, start putting units east of our location so we could gridlock this location.
The units start taking 51st Street, 50th Street off of Phantom.
Here, give me the last location and flash of the man we're looking for.
We're looking for a black male, 20 years of age, dreadlocks, black hoodie.
43, from what we're getting at the bar here on 5-1 Sansom, he shot another male, ran east. We got K9 on the road.
Check on K9.
We got Tech Air up. I got Tech Air, SWAT, and K9 en route. It's a secure this area.
All right. Call location. We need to know where you want us.
18 pound 9. Be advised, we need a medic. 5118 Sampson. Got a male shot in the leg. Bleeding profusely.
We do have rescue en route there, sir. C8.
UC8.
C8.
I'm at 5138 Sansom. I got a witness to the shooting. You ready for some flash?
Proceed.
Black male, light skin, approximately 5'10", bushy hair, light shirt, dark pants, and he ran eastbound on Sansom.
Shots fired.
Oh no, that's a person!
stand by. 18th District, second assist. Shots fired. 5-0 in Sansom. Repeat in 18th District.
People coming in.
Coming in 5-0 in Sansom. Shots fired.
Sansom, 0449, let's go.
Do you have any flags from the shooter?
4. Energy was converged. 4-9 in Sansom.
You start over to 4-9 in Sansom. 4-9 in Sansom. Sansom.
Just use caution. Stay behind cover. We have the light on them.
And here's Ryan.
Fire. Watch crossfire.
Just use extreme caution and take cover. 4-9 in Sansom.
18BD4, do we have rescue en route to my location, 5118 Sansom?
That's correct.
Back here, Wilkinson, where he's at?
He's going to be on the back of the car that's parked on the side right here where my light is. He's in the middle of the street. He's laying.
We got another officer down, another officer.
What this at, 4-9 in Sansom or 5-0 in Sansom?
It's coming from everywhere down here.
Check underneath the gray car. Look under there. That's where we seen them.
Nobody there.
Chopper fired at the corner. That was where one was running. He went underneath that car. She's caution down there on that street on Sansom.
Have rescue come to 496. We got somebody shot in the car.
Is there another officer shot there with the location?
No. Shot fired. We got fired. The kill goes out.
At 4-9 in Sansom.
Block off the road on the street, 52nd all the way down so we can have cars stop coming in there, please.
Check here, check 4-8.
Yeah, we're going to set up a grid out here. Let's get SWAT expediter, please. Long guns out here, and let's get another assist going on.
Thank you. We got long guns coming out anywhere? 18BD4, be advised. We also have a female shot at 5118 Sansom. We need those rescue units now.
Rescue en route. Where's the other officer down there?
504, let's just start scooping. We got 2 officers under prison. We have to start diverting the other prison, other hospital cases over to Heinemann or other trauma.
All right, check Southwest. All cars stand by, please.
You can't fit in these vehicles that's out here.
All cars. J to Southwest, if possible, have your units set up a perimeter and hold their positions and take cover and await the arrival of SWAT.
Yeah, Radio, this is a large perimeter, so we're gonna have to set up somewhere. Let's do 49th and Chester as a staging area, and give me a supervisor with patrol.
Highway 24, 48th and Walnut in the rear. Get me some more cops. We have officers shooting. We have magazines on the ground. We have casings. We don't have any idea where the officers are.
Person take 4-8 and Chestnut.
1814, I got 47 in Sansom. Remember today, okay?
All right.
I got the cover cover, Neil County. We shot that down.
All right, where you get the mail down there?
18BD4, be advised we have the male being scooped. He's getting in 1812. We need still one more vehicle to take my location and scoop this female. Good joy, Wallace. Going up.
We go to Jefferson or
We got the male in custody, 49 Jefferson. 4901.
If you look up anybody else, that male is down in the highway. We need this all the way blocked off. We need 49, Chestnut block off, 49 and Walnut block off.
49 and Chester is blocked off. We're good.
Get 49 and Walnut, right?
What?
Back here. 54, be advised. We need everything blocked off from 49 and Chestnut all the way up to 52. From 49 and Walnut all the way up to 52.
Alright, so we need everything blocked off from 49 to 52, Chestnut to Walnut.
Do we have the shooter in custody? He is down. He is in custody. He is down and in custody.
Don't be looking for any other shooters in this case.
Oh, where's that location at?
49 Sandstone River Alley. 49 and Sandstone River Alley. Melvin in custody.
Okay, as far as we know, we're not looking for anybody else.
I was looking for police.
Okay.
Call 3-1, they work at scoop 167 from 10. We're at Presby.
Alright, time's 11:29.
Down 9, notify Presby we're coming in with one shot. Anybody else?
Like right now, we're not sure where this. As far as I know, we're not looking for anyone else.
Heck, I got a lot of officers running. Be nice, close and hold us.
There's some more activity out here?
Be about this 40 Walnut.
4-8 and Walnut. 1884 partner?
Dan 504.
There's a scene in front of 4832. You have a 18 Tom 2 being driven by a plainclothes officer with a female en route to Presbyterian.
I care, can you let me know who these officers chasing and where they're going? I'm not sure whether they're... Dan 504, that shooting victim is to go to Heinemann, not Presby.
1854. 18 Tom 2 is being driven by a plainclothes police officer with a female victim shot in the leg. They're en route to Presbyterian right now. I still have the scene and a weapon recovered at 5118 Sampson.
Alright, someone needs to reroute that officer.
No, we're calling on 48th Street southbound towards Spruce Street, so they know. They got eye in the sky.
Dan 504. Can we, we'll have to get this organized at this point. We're not sure. Are we sure we have all persons that participate in this incident this time?
As of now, yeah.
All right, disperse this to the alley. Where are we at?
Just north of Walnut Street.
So on 48, just north of Walnut?
We're on 48th Street. Northwest Avenue. We're on 48th Street between Walnut and Sansom with this one perpetrator.
That's 504. For now, let's resume the citywide assist. I need a patrol supervisor at 48 Chestnut so we can start coordinating this and see what's going on here.
I need a patrol supervisor. 48 and Chestnut.
19 command last down. I'm at 52 at Chestnut right now. I'm going to head up to 48 and, was it 48 and Walnut?
I have the scene over here where the sergeant was shot. Have another patrol sergeant go to 48th Street, please.
Come on for a second.
Yeah, I'm 48 up right now.
I'm here from another band. We got some units in pursuit. I don't know the location.
Oh, actually, I have a 48 at Chestnut right now.
48th and Ambulance Southwest in the other staging area.
Tower 21 radio, sir. Do me a favor, you got guys running around. They believe they got information in reference to a supervisor that's supposed to be shot. Can you confirm?
Being the reports followers, Sampson, somebody's supposed to be shooting. We're police. They're going over there now. Call 3-181 body.
43, can you hear for a second? Let me get somebody with a long gun so we can search this garage. I have a gentleman who said somebody ran in here and he's hiding.
Alright, what's your location?
Location of the garage. officers use caution going to 50 with Sansom. Watch out for the ambush. Watch out for the ambush.
Everybody use extreme caution. 43.
1884. If we can have Air Tech 1 go over 50 and Sansom and do a sweep. I'll start again from the corner.